a pair of scissors. You can cut a hairstyle like a Korean blogger at home too. Long, layered hairstyle with bangs. I'll teach you everything in this video. Hello guys, welcome to K-Tips, your daily dose of Korean beauty tips. Find out how to do every girl things. Hello, wives. I'm wearing this greasy hair. First, let me teach you how to cut your hair. Cut it to about this length. Then, let's start. First, comb our hair upside down. Comb it to the middle of the forehead. After fixing it, bring the hair down. Cut it to the desired length. Make sure to cut horizontally. This way, when you let it down, it's layered. Finally, vertically trim the ends. It will add more layers. I'll go wash my hair first. Take a look. After blow drying, it looks like this. Really layered, isn't it? Who can tell it was cut at home? Then, trim the bangs. Secure the back hair. Use a pointed tool. Separate the bangs. Cut diagonally inwards. Don't cut too much. Cut it to chin length. Then, at a half length, separate. The front bangs are the same. Roll it diagonally inwards. Cut until it reaches the nose. Curl the bangs slightly. It will create a nice curve for the Korean style bangs. I'll use a curling iron to curl the ends. Wow, it looks so good. Did you learn it? Tony can't make money off us anymore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.